How to change currency in Expedia. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, you'll be taught how you can change your currency on Expedia. The first thing to do is to log on to Expedia website using www.expedia.com. When you've logged on to the website, you create an account on Expedia website. Then on the upper part of the screen at the right side, you see the option more travel. You click on more travel, then the options will be displayed like stays, flights, cars, and so on. Then you click on flights. After clicking on flights, you patiently wait for you to be moved to the other page where you have when you want to travel, where you're going to, the date and all. You kindly fill in all this for, or you scroll down and you see popular flight destinations. Then you click on wherever destination you want. After clicking on this destination, you wait for it to load. Then you another page will be displayed where you would see your destination, your departure date and your returning date. Then you click on search. After clicking on search, you'll be directed to a page where the available airlines will be displayed. You click any of the airlines you want. After clicking on any of the airlines you want, you kindly wait for the next page to load. Then you click on the departing flight, whichever one that suits you. After that, you wait for it to load. Then you check around on the screen till you find the place where to change your currency. It's that simple. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.